The baker's secret bread, patience, and early mornings. Every morning, before the sun came up, there was a baker named Armin. He lived in a small town with quiet streets and friendly people. Armin was not a very rich man, and he did not have a big bakery. His shop was small, warm, and always smelled like fresh bread. Still, people from all parts of town came to buy his bread. They said his bread felt special, soft, and full of love. Armin always woke up at 4 in the morning. When the world was still dark, he walked to his bakery with a small lamp in his hand. The air was cold and quiet, and only the sound of his shoes touched the street. When he reached the bakery, he opened the door and smiled. He loved this moment every day. He washed his hands, tied his apron, and started to mix flour, water, yeast, and salt. Many people thought these were the only things in his bread, but Armin knew there was something more. He believed the real secret was patience. He always said, "Good bread needs time. Good things always need time." He mixed the dough slowly and carefully. He never rushed. Sometimes he talked to the dough like it was alive. "Grow well," he said. "You will make someone's morning happy." Then he put the dough in a warm place, cleaned his table, and prepared the oven. When the dough grew soft and big, Armin touched it gently and smiled again. He shaped the dough into round loaves and long loaves. Each loaf looked different but beautiful in its own way. Then he placed them inside the hot oven, and soon the smell of baking bread filled the whole street. By the time the sun came up, people started to walk toward the bakery. Some people came for breakfast, some came for lunch, and some came just to smell the bread because it made them feel warm inside. Armin always greeted them with a big smile and said, "Good morning, my friend." One day, a young boy named Karim came to Armin's bakery. Karim wanted to learn how to make bread. He said, "Master Armin, please teach me your secret. I want to bake the same bread as you." Armin looked at him kindly and said, "I can teach you the steps, but the real secret is something you must learn by yourself." Karim came every morning. He watched Armin mix the dough, prepare the oven, and check the bread. At first, Karim worked very fast because he wanted to finish quickly. But the bread he made was hard, and people did not like it much. Karim felt sad. "Why is your bread soft and warm, but mine is not?" he asked. Armin put a gentle hand on his shoulder and said, "Because you are not patient yet. Bread listens to the baker's heart. When you rush, the bread becomes nervous. When you work with calm hands and a peaceful mind, the bread grows happy." These words stayed in Karim's mind. The next morning, Karim came even earlier than Armin. He sat quietly in the bakery and breathed slowly. He tried to be calm. When Armin arrived, he smiled and said, "Good, today you look ready." Karim mixed the dough slowly with steady hands. He waited for the dough to rise. He did not look at the time. He just watched and listened. The dough slowly grew soft and big, and Karim felt proud. When he baked it, the smell was warm and sweet. Customers came and tasted the bread. They smiled and said, "This is good. This bread feels alive." Karim felt joy in his heart. He finally understood the secret. It was patience, love, and quiet early mornings. Many years passed. Armin became old, and Karim grew strong. One day, Armin told him, "My son, now the bakery is yours. Take care of it, and remember, never rush the bread." Karim promised. Every morning, before the sun came up, Karim opened the bakery, tied his apron, and mixed the dough with steady hands. The town grew bigger, more people came, and everyone loved the bread. They said it tasted like warmth, like peace, like early morning light. And Kareem always smiled and said, "Thank you. It is an old secret. It is patience."